Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make doll starter control motor in three-phase line wiring diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCB circuit breaker, stop switch, start switch, contactor and overload, run, trip light, three-phase motor, phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, second phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, third phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, three-phase connection to contactor, coil connection to run light, another connection to start switch, connection to NC point contactor, overload connection to stop switch, overload short in overload connection, phase connection to circuit breaker and again overload, three-phase connection to contactor overload to three-phase motor, neutral connection to trip light, neutral connection to contactor coil connection, neutral connection to run light, phase connection to trip light, another connection to start and stop switch. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.